Alright, everyone. So I'm going to show us how to withdraw through Deriv Peer. Now don't go with this, all of this. So the first thing you have to go scroll down. So you start from this 600, but you look for someone whose rating is above 80, and who have their number specified. So that's someone you want to sell to. Let me see this person. So this person has a number here, but his limit is 100 and I want to sell 106. So that means I'm not going to use him. So this person's limit is 300. This other person is 10 to 33, 71. Okay. So I have 100 in. So 562. So this is a good one, 561. That's 561. But my profit will be reduced. So I'm going to sell part to the 563 and then sell the rest to another person. So this person is 8%, and I'll go with that. So okay. Don't sell to people without rating. Don't sell to except they have their number there. You can see, don't sell to them. So I'm going to this person is okay selling 2 to 100. Now let me find that person. This person is selling 300. I don't have to do that. Okay, so I'll sell 20 to this person at 562.25, and then I'll sell the rest to the person selling 100. So any of these two is okay for me. So let me try selling. Let me see if this one has a number. Okay, he has a number. So I'm going to sell the 20 to this person. So then I'm going to sell the rest. I have 86 left. So I'm going to scroll down to that person again. Okay, so this is the person 563. So he also has a number. So I'm going to sell. I have 86.10 left. I'm going to sell everything. So I'll confirm. So just give them a call. So this one say charge is 10 naira. It's not bad. Okay. So now how much you are selling depends on the rate you will get. And see if you can check that different rates. All these people writing 100,000 million, they don't use them, please. What they actually mean is this actually 550. Don't use them, please. Let me see this person. You can see 1050 is 5 to 5. 5 1 is 5. Can you see that? So this price is just to make them come on top when people search for them. So that is that. So I'll wait for. So this is how you can set uh, your profile. So first of all, you have to register the P2P. You are here to do that. So you ask you to verify your ID and then set your username. So you put the ID, then wait for them to verify it. Then you put your username there. So after that, you'll be able to do all this. So these are my orders waiting. So these are my past orders. So okay. So these are my ads. I don't have any ads in my profile. So the first thing you have to check is your money showing here? If your money is showing here, then you'll be able to sell it. And you have a limit of $500 per day. You can sell 500 and you can buy 500 per day. So just input your payment details, your contacts and your email here, then save. That way each time you want to buy, you won't have to put it manually. So I'm just going to wait for these people. I'm going to give them a call and then wait for payment. So that's just it.